You are so close. You want some chicken?
So it never feeds me.
Kayleigh Osbourne is healing as she's having her alone time with the ego birds as the dad died, that is Ozzy Osbourne. May his soul continue resting in eternal peace. So we get to see that she shared a clip of her, I think, with the ego, feeding it, it coming back to the owner. So definitely it shows that she's having some peace of mind, relaxing and enjoying the breeze, enjoying the day, and still healing.